Today we'll show you one way to prepare vegetarian sarmi, cabbage leaves stuffed with rice and vegetables. Of course you need spices, black pepper, spearmint, 2 different salty seasonings from vegetables, as well as turmeric. You need plain white rice, sunflower oil and olive oil, carrots and white onion. I will add information about all ingredients in the video description. You also need cabbage leaves, 3 spoons, including a wooden one, a knife and a cutting board. Finally, I have prepared a pot and a pan, a bowl and a plate, as well as a casserole dish. The first step is to wash the rice. Pour water, stir gently and drain. Repeat this step around 3 times until the rice grains are visible through the water. Then, take out the rice with water and drain it in about 10 minutes. The second step is to separate the cabbage leaves in a bowl and in a plate. In the bowl you should put parts of the cabbage head as well as the cabbage leaves which are too small or torn apart. You can use the plate for the good cabbage leaves. One sarma needs a cabbage leaf as big as your palm. If the cabbage leaf is too big, cut it in half. Afterwards, cut the onion and the carrots in small pieces. Quick reminder to drain the rice. Turn on the hot plate and heat the pan on medium to medium-high heat. Mix the sunflower oil and the olive oil and pour only half of the mixture in the pan. When the oil mixture is hot, add the carrots and mix them for around 3 minutes until their color is light orange. Meanwhile, we advise you to warm up some water as you will need it shortly. Add the onion and mix for around 3 minutes. Add the rice, mix well for around 3 minutes until the rice looks dry and there is no water in the pan. Add the different spices like seasonings from vegetables, turmeric, and black pepper. Mix well after you add each ingredient. Do not add the spearmint yet. Add the warm water and mix well until it disappears. Turn off the hot plate. The rice should be around half cooked. Add the spearmint and mix well. Preheating the oven is a good idea. You should set it to 200 degrees Celsius, conventional heating, so no fan or grill. Let's start with the sarmi. Put some of the torn or small cabbage leaves on the bottom of the casserole dish. Stuff the good cabbage leaves as shown on the video. Each sarma should have around 2 teaspoons of rice. Don't roll the leaf too tightly. Leave room for the rice to expand during cooking. If some of the good cabbage leaves have a small hole, you can simply cover them with another leaf. You should pour around 3 tablespoons of the oil mixture on the top of each layer of sarmi in the dish casserole. After the sarmi are ready, fill up half of the casserole dish with around 2 cups of warm water. The water should not cover the sarmi. Cover the casserole dish and put it at a low level of the oven. It should be ready in about 1 hour and a half. Enjoy!